Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. This is my surface design project by me, Muhammad Firdaus bin NASRIPAN, B09 2010 356 for my metal cover. Okay, background. Reverse engineering is nowadays widely used in CAD or the computer-aided design. It started by deconstructing an existing part or an assembly to extract data from it. The object can be measured by using 3D scanning technologies such as laser scanner, industrial CT scan, and many more. During the scan process, the measured data is presented as a point of cloud. Then the point of cloud generates in form of STL file. From this file, it can be uploaded to the software that compatibility with the .stl file, such as CATIA software and many more. Reverse engineering aims for projection mesh on the recover the design on simple analytical surface. For the problem statement for this project, by my gut is my choice to work on the task is to re-engineer and get to analysis from the scan model. However, the model was challenging to engineer because of the complex surface. After getting the .stl file, the reconstructing process kept on by inserting .stl to the CATIA software to start the reverse engineering process. As we see in this slide, I have inserted the picture of .stl of my mudguard that had been scanned in this picture that showed. Okay, for the objective, this objective of project is to create a method on how generate surface from scanned cloud. That is first. Secondly, to perform a surface from point that change into mesh, and lastly, to fix the surface that have problem from scan part. Okay, this is the flowchart as we see it. It start with the start, okay, and then with the project briefing, okay, on how this project will be conducted. Next is the part selection, okay, what selection of what is that want to be scanned and what part is want to do the re-engineering. Okay, after that, the 3D scanning process is performed. Okay, next is the re-engineering process. Is when the 3D scanning data from the data, we do the re-engineering process. Okay, nextly we do the project report writing, and next we do the project presentation and stop. That is the project. Okay, this is the Gantt chart. Okay, as we see, this is from the week 1 until the week 6. Okay, in week 1, I do the project with we here the project briefing, and also I do the part selection. Okay, I choose the mudguard. Okay, and in week 2 and week 3, I do the 3D scanning. In the engineering process, I do the process in week 3 until week 5. Okay, project report writing, week 5 until week 6, and project presentation in the week of 6. Okay, this is the list of tools I have used in project. Okay, firstly is the Stanwich NV3D scan in the picture, and also the software that I used to do the engineer, which is the CATIA V5. Okay, this is the scan part of the mudguard that I've used to scan. This is from isometric view, and this is from the top. Okay, as the result, this is the part that have complete in 4 view. This is okay. Firstly, this is the isometric view from the top, from the side, and from the front. Okay, this is after the completed pre-engineering process. For the analysis, okay, the first picture is the connect checker for the first surface, which is this one and one. Secondly, this is the second connect checker, which is this one and this one. Thirdly, connect checker is this one and this one, awesome. And fourth connect checker is in this one and this one. And lastly is the distance analysis, which is I have mentioned this mean value is 0 mm and max value is 2.729 mm. Okay, this is one of the process, which is this when I perform the 3D scan, which is this is a video. Okay, that is on how I perform the 3D scanning process for the part. We stop like that. Okay, we continue. Okay, this is after the scanning is the engineering process, which is the .stl file inserted to the CATIA. Okay, we start with we go to the start, go to the shape, and go to the digitize shape editor. After that, we go to the import features and select the file that we want to import, and we import it. After that, we use the planar section features, which is at the quick surface reconstruction. Okay, we click at the subject and the plane, and we perform. After that, at the point of cloud that have been result of from do the planar section, we convert it to the line with the curve from scan. After that, we we connect the point, and we use the spline to make it connected from side to side. And then we perform the multi-section process, which is to do the surface. After that, we repeat the same process until complete all the part. After that, we as I share above, perform the this is the connect checker. Okay, and this is for the distance analysis. Okay, for the analysis result, as we see connect checker 1, the G0 result of 0, G1 if 5.244, G2 at 1.18, G3 125.848. For connect checker 2, GO 0, G1 179.177, G2 at 9.6, G3 158.634, connect checker 3, GO 0, G1 0.732, G2 G1.4, G3 18.177. Okay, connect checker 4 is GO means 0, G1 0.521, G2 96.02, G3 177.486. For the distance analysis, minimum value is 0 mm, and max value is 2.729 mm. Okay, as the conclusion of this project, I have learned on how to scan a part and to get the data from it, especially in .stl file. Also, I have learned on how to convert the point of the cloud to the surface and do an analysis from it. That's all from me. Thank you.